So question is identify the major products P, Q and R following sequence of reactions. So when benzene is reacted with a chloroalkane in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, so it forms 2-phenylpropane, and the structure for 2-phenylpropane is CH CH CH3 twice. So this would be P, and when this is highly oxidized in the presence of H3O plus, then it forms a alcohol and a ketone, that is Q and R, and Q is phenol whose structure is this, and the ketone that forms is CH3CO CH3, which is also known as acetone. So option 4 would be the right option. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer.